guys, are you an active web user? Because today I'm going to share with you a list of websites that you probably never knew about. And I think they're quite cool and useful. So, let's go. First, open up your web browser. Search for virustotal.com to scan your file using multiple virus scanners for free. Click on Choose File to upload the file you want to scan. And it will scan it using various virus scanners. If the majority of them show no viruses, I would not be too worried. It scans them using loads of different virus scanners, including the most popular one like Avast, McAfee and Microsoft. Type Windows93.net for a web-based version of Windows 95. Search for haveibeenpawned.com to see if your data has been leaked. Put in your email address and it will show you if it had been leaked and where from. You could also select Notify Me to get notified if your data has been leaked. Search for 10minutemail.com to get a temporary email address. You could also click on Get 10 More Minutes to add to your temporary email address time. Search for down4everyone or justme.com to check whether it's the website that's not working, or if it's just by you. Search for gethuman.com to find how to contact people at a specific company. If they don't have a phone number, they will give you other ways of contacting them or will give you links to online help forums. They also have a feature to pay them to sort something out for you. Search for ifttt.com to make one thing happen as the consequence of something else. For example, you could choose to get a text message whenever you get a tweet. Search for producthunt.com to discover newly released products. You will usually find products from new companies, but sometimes an already established company will also post their products there. Search for gtmatrix.com to see if a website is slower than usual, and if so, why. Search for Instructables.com for cool DIY projects and how to make them.